Have you ever wondered how much training is too much? This simple question leads us to a deep analysis of an essential aspect of physical fitness: recovery. In our journey towards optimizing performance and building muscle, we often underestimate the crucial role that rest plays in this process. But how important is it really? Join us as we explore the answers to this question. Section 1. Importance of recovery. How much training is too much? This question leads us to reflect on a fundamental aspect of physical conditioning: recovery. Many people underestimate the crucial role that rest plays in the training process. It is important to understand that real muscle growth and the benefits of exercise do not occur while we are in the gym lifting weights or running on the treadmill, but during the subsequent recovery period. During this time, our body focuses on repairing the tissues damaged during training and adapting to the physical demands of exercise. Therefore, adequate recovery is essential to maximize results and prevent injuries. Section 2. Factors affecting recovery. Several factors can influence the speed and effectiveness of our recovery after training. One of the most important is sleep. During sleep, our body carries out important processes of repair and muscle growth. Therefore, the quality and quantity of sleep we get are crucial for optimal recovery. Other factors, such as stress and cortisol levels, can also affect our ability to recover properly. It is important to identify and address these factors to ensure effective recovery and prevent burnout. Section 3. Importance of nutrition. Nutrition plays a fundamental role in the process of muscle recovery. Consuming a balanced and nutritious diet, rich in proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats, provides our body with the necessary nutrients to repair and rebuild damaged muscle tissues during exercise. Additionally, it is important to pay attention to the timing of food intake, especially after training when our body is most receptive to nutrient absorption. By ensuring we get the right nutrients at the right time, we can optimize our recovery and promote muscle growth. Section 4. Use of supplements to accelerate recovery. In addition to proper nutrition, certain supplements can help accelerate the process of muscle recovery. Essential amino acids such as leucine, isoleucine, and valine are critical for protein synthesis and muscle growth. BCAA, branched-chain amino acid supplements, can be especially beneficial after training to promote muscle recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Other supplements, such as creatine, can increase energy and muscle strength, which can help improve performance during training and accelerate post-workout recovery. Section 5. Influence of hormones on recovery. Hormones play a crucial role in regulating metabolism and the response to exercise. Testosterone, in particular, plays an important role in muscle growth and recovery. Maintaining healthy levels of testosterone and other hormones is key to optimizing recovery and promoting muscle growth. However, it is important to remember that the use of synthetic hormones or steroids can have serious side effects and is not recommended. Instead, it is best to focus on natural strategies to promote hormonal health, such as a healthy diet and regular exercise. Section 6. Body adaptation to training. Our body is incredibly adaptable and can adjust to the demands of training over time. During the first few weeks of training, it is normal to experience muscle soreness and fatigue as our body adapts to the new stimulus. However, over time, our body becomes more efficient at repairing and growing muscle, leading to improvements in performance and body composition. It is important to be patient and allow our body to gradually adapt to training to avoid injuries and maximize long-term results. Section 7. Determination of training volume and intensity. Finding the right balance between training volume and intensity is key to optimizing recovery and preventing overtraining. Volume refers to the total amount of work done during a training session, while intensity refers to the difficulty of the work performed. It is important to adjust training volume and intensity according to individual goals and experience level. Training with too much intensity or volume can lead to fatigue and injuries, while training with too little intensity may not produce the desired results. Finding the right balance is essential to maximizing results and minimizing the risk of injuries. Section 8. Importance of rest and recover. Last but not least, it is essential to recognize the importance of rest and recovery in the training process. No matter how motivated we are or how ambitious our goals may be, it is crucial to allow our body to recover properly between training sessions. Overtraining can lead to fatigue, injuries, and decreased performance, which can hinder our long-term progress. Prioritizing rest and recovery allows us to train more effectively and sustainably, promoting greater performance and longer-lasting results. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Until next time.